Next type next type of roots that are observed in plants are modified roots. Modified means these are roots, but because of some reason or because of some function, these roots are little bit different from the normal roots, so they are called as modified roots. Now why do plants have modified roots? Because these roots perform some additional function, some extra function. We know the common function of roots. They grow deep inside the soil, they give support, they take water and mineral from the soil. Apart from this, some more function is being done by roots, so they get modified, they become different. So some common examples of modified roots are aerial roots, aerial roots, stilt roots, runners, and pneumatophores. We'll see what they are and what is their function. The first one, aerial roots. Aerial, the word aerial means above the ground. Like for example, banyan tree. You must have seen banyan tree. It has long brown color structure which comes down from the branches, from the stem, and it just grows down towards the soil, up till the soil in straight line. These are example of aerial roots or prop roots. They are aerial and prop roots. So why they grow like this? To give extra support to the plant, because the plant or tree is very heavy. Secondly, they also absorb moisture from the air. Next, stilt roots. Stilt roots are similar to aerial roots, but the difference is when they grow from stem or branch, they do not grow in straight direction, but they grow obliquely. They grow oblique. Oblique means sideways. And these roots are found in sugarcane and maize. Like for example, in maize, the adventitious roots are examples of stilt root. They grow oblique to the soil. Next is runners. Runners are extra growth of branches that grows along the soil, not inside the soil. And runners usually develop from the stem. What is the reason for runners? Runners perform the function of vegetative production, means from these runners new plant will grow. This is how runners look like. There will be an original parent plant. It will have normal roots under the soil, but its stem or branch will give rise to extra root which will grow along the soil. Along the soil means it will touch the soil, but it will not grow inside the soil. And somewhere at some point, this runner will give rise to a new plant. The next type of plants, the next type of modified roots is pneumatophores. Pneumatophores are also called as breathing roots. Pneumatophores usually are not very common. These types of roots are found in plants which grow in soil which is not very porous, which does not allow carbon dioxide and water to get in easily. Like plants that grow in marshy lands where lots of water is there locked and that soil becomes very sticky. So in such uh, places, the plants that grow, they develop pneumatophores. And what do pneumatophores do? Of course they give support because they are roots, but they also absorb or they help the exchange of carbon dioxide and oxygen. The last type of roots that are seen are called as prop roots. Prop roots are similar to aerial roots, and the common example of plant that has these roots is banyan tree. So prop roots grow from the branches or the trunk of the tree, and when they grow, they directly go in straight direction, vertical position up till the soil. Why do they grow like this? Just to give an extra support to the tree. And prop roots usually start growing towards the soil after the plant and or the tree is completely grown and it has been living for many years.